I'm Annabelle Schaman. I work as an IT project coordinator at Deutsche Windtechnik, where I handle the L Mobile project. The idea behind digitalization in our service department was that we wanted to streamline our work processes. We wanted to ensure that the information the technicians discover in the wind turbines comes back to us in the back office as quickly as possible and can then, of course, be delivered to the client.
I'm Klaus Feldman. I'm head of IT at Deutsche Windtechnik Ltd. The challenge in our everyday work is that together with our colleagues, we check whether the requirements actually fit the process and that the requirements haven't just been set independently of the process and the organization of the entity.
What makes us unique is we have a developer license of L Mobile. That means we develop in-house, but also in collaboration with developers at L Mobile. My everyday work involves acting as an interface between the end users and the developers. Sometimes they can be worlds apart and clash with each other, and so I try to mediate a bit and look at what our technicians need in the field, what our employees in the specialist department need, and how we can integrate that into the system in the most logical way.
At Deutsche Windtechnik, L Mobile has changed how we work in that we were able to digitalize many of our processes. We have eliminated media discontinuity, as we now have a standardized system where we maintain information in the field service work order. On a slip of paper or in an Excel list, you usually only have yes/no questions, but now we work with smart drop-downs that autocomplete, and so we also have the option to add photos to a checklist item at the same time. This has given us new options, and we can optimize the checklist processes.
We are now able to have a lot of influence over work processes, and that's really the exciting thing about the project for me, that I can go, okay, on the one hand, this is about business, wind energy, and really the service technicians, who have a whole other background, and now I can support that through IT.
The end clients of Deutsche Windtechnik have access to a client portal where we provide the data from L Mobile in real time. Here, they can react very quickly, so they can place orders if they need materials, for example, and therefore save costs.